Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an aloe vera leave-in conditioner. This aloe vera leave-in conditioner is great if you have frizzy hair, if you have dandruff, you want to, promote more hair growth for your hair and also thickness. So this aloe vera leave-in conditioner is going to be great if that's what you're looking to do with your hair. So if you didn't watch the last video where I did an aloe vera hair mask, then definitely check it out. I'm going to leave it down below. So if you want to deep condition your hair, then you can definitely use that aloe vera hair mask that I made in the previous video. So if you don't know yet, aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth. It prevents itching on the scalp and also reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. And when I say dandruff, I mean dandruff from, a dry scalp. So if you're having dandruff from not washing your hair, then girl, wash your hair. But if you have dandruff from dry scalp, then this is really, really great for you. So as you can see, I've just peeled the aloe vera and I'm just going to use aloe vera juice to make it easier for me to blend this aloe vera. You can use water if you don't have aloe vera juice. As you can see, I'm using quite a bit of an amount because I like mine to be a little bit runny. If you don't want yours to be too runny, then definitely use a small amount of juice or water if that's what you're using. So I'm just going to blend it, and then after blending it, I'm going to use a stocking. So I basically take my stockings and I cut the feet, and that's what I'm going to use. As you can see, I'm just putting it around the bowl and then I'm pouring the aloe vera in there. And after that, I'm going to sift it. So you have to make sure you do this step. If you don't do this step, aloe vera has some I want to call them, what are they called again? Fibers or like little strings in them. So if you don't do this, it's going to put all those things in your hair and they're going to be very, very difficult to remove. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm talking about right now. I'm just showing you guys, I showed this in my last video, but just in case this is the first video you're watching, make sure you remove this. You don't want that in your hair at all. So after that, I'm going to put it back into the little blender again, just because I want to blend it again. So next up, I'm going to add castor oil. Castor oil increases hair growth, thickens hair. It reduces and prevents damage. It makes hair fuller and adds sheen, and it just makes your hair feel great. And it's also a great deep conditioner and a moisturizer. I love castor oil. If you're not new here, you know it's one of the oils that I swear by. If you don't love it, then please use another different oil instead. And then I'm going to go in with grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil actually acts as a good heat protectant. Like, it protects your hair for like 420 degrees, so it's actually good. And it penetrates the scalp and stimulates blood circulation, which promotes hair growth, and it's actually really good for dandruff as well. And it's also one of the few oils that actually penetrates your hair shaft and strengthens and nourishes your hair strands. So grapeseed oil is a really, really good oil. So this is how my mixture looks like after I blend it. As you can see, it's quite runny, and I'm just going to put it in my spray bottle. I find that it's easier to apply it from my spray bottle. Again, if you don't want yours to be as runny as mine, then definitely use less water or aloe vera juice when you're blending it. So after that, I'm just going to show you guys. So my hair is actually very clean. I washed it, I shampooed, I deep conditioned, and I'm just going to do some twists. And as you can see, I'm just spraying it, and then after spraying it, I'm going in with an aloe vera hair butter that I made. I'm going to make a video of how I make this hair butter, so definitely watch out for that. So as you can see, my hair feels great. It feels amazing. I'll probably make this aloe vera hair butter, moisturizing hair butter, next week, so definitely watch out for that. So I just finished doing my twist, and like so, my hair feels amazing, and when I take out the twist, it feels amazing as well, and they feel really, really moisturized. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And I hope I see you guys next time on the channel. What are some of the hair remedies that you use? Leave a comment down below letting the rest of us know of a recipe that you use, that you swear by, that we should all be trying. Thanks for coming by the channel, guys. Have a lovely, lovely week. Bye.